Hey guys, I actually have a craft video for you today. So I kind of just spontaneously made these fairy paper and twig lanterns. I've made 2 of them. Here's the other one. And I actually recorded myself making them, so you actually get to see exactly how I made them. The footage that I have for you guys is me making this one specifically. I made this one first. It was kind of a trial and error thing. And I was like, well, it worked out pretty well, so I'll go ahead and make another one and make a video tutorial. So yeah, this is basically just like a paper lantern or a lamp, and it's got this kind of natural fairy or kind of wood elf style to it. The frame is made out of just twigs. I live at an apartment complex, so they often trim the branches of their trees, and they make for a nice, good, solid branch to use for crafts because it's not like fresh living wood, but it's also not rotting wood, so it's a good solid dead wood. The frame is literally just made out of twigs. Inside of it, it's got a layer of lots of twigs in there. And then the paper is just made out of a handmade paper that I got from Amazon. And the moss is just moss from Hobby Lobby. And I put this entire thing together with just hot glue. And once you've made it, you basically just put a little battery, or you could get a light that plugs into the wall if you wanted. I get a little candle. This one flickers. I actually want to get a different one because this one's not very bright. But you can just get whatever light you want, and you put it inside. You can't see it right now because of the light, but I will insert a clip kind of showing you what it looks like when it's dark, although it's not going to be the greatest footage because these lights are not very bright, but that's what I have to use for now. And I also used a little bit of spray paint just to give the paper some texture, but that's obviously optional. Now, this was really easy to make. It's something that really anyone could make. I mean, it's just sticks, and I hot glued paper to it. And I did a little bit of some different things in it, like I've burnt the paper on top, and I've kind of tore this paper to make it blend in a little bit better, but like, it's really easy stuff. It just makes for a nice little fairy lantern for your little fairy rooms or whatever. And of course, there's like a million bajillion different kind of designs that you could go with this. This one is like a box shaped with 4 sides, and then the other one is only 3 sides, so you could stamp the paper. I mean, there's a ton of different things you could do with paper lanterns. I just wouldn't recommend you use a real candle. You probably could put a real candle inside if you have a nice big one like this one, but I wouldn't recommend it because that's kind of a risk because it's made out of paper and sticks. Maybe you could spray it with like an anti-flammable spray that keeps it from catching on fire, but yeah, I would just use an electronic or battery powered candle. Yeah, so if you want to know exactly how I made this, like down to every little detail basically, just go ahead and keep watching the video. Alright guys, that's all there is to it, so please go ahead and let me know what you thought of this project down in the comments below. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, maybe a share, and if you like this kind of content, go ahead and consider subscribing maybe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.